Adding parts to shafts. Various tools are available to add parts and features to shafts. These are available on the Content tab's shaft panel or by editing the shaft itself. On the shaft panel, you have tools for adding features such as shaft ends, center holes, undercuts, as well as parts like plain bearings, roller bearings, and adjusting rings, circlips, shim rings, O-rings, lock nuts, and parallel or woodruff keys. These same tools can be accessed by double-clicking on an existing segment to start up the shaft generator, pressing Enter to accept the default values, and going to the Standard Parts button. Select the style of part that you would like to add. You may either select from the right-hand icons or from the left-hand tree view. Select the family. Select an insertion point on the shaft contour. If this command was being run from the panel, then you would also have to pick the shaft center line. The direction is going to be towards the right, and the dialog box comes up showing you that it's selected an inner diameter of 1, and the new bearing is going to have an inner diameter that is equal to or greater than that value. You could change the logic here to be equal or just greater than or an unlimited value. The outer diameter is grayed out as well as the width. The dynamic dragging is set to outer diameter. This would allow you to pull the cursor to show the various sizes that the software has found that would fit your shaft. Click Finish. And in this case, there's a warning message that the shaft segment does not correspond to the diameter of the standard part. Would you like the shaft diameter to be updated? Select Yes. The shaft diameter has been changed. You can press Close, and the message comes up, would you like to update the side and sectional views? Followed by a message that since there are 2 gears in this particular shaft, these are going to take a little bit of time to update. And there is the bearing both in the side view and the end view, both in the front view and the right side view. I will add a parallel key using the tools from the shaft panel. Parallel key on end of shaft, front view, square key. Pick a point on the shaft contour. I'll use the extension object snap and come in 1/4 of an inch. Pick a point on the center line of the shaft. I'm picking on the center line towards the end of the shaft. Pick Finish. And now drag the size of the key. If I pause with the cursor, you will see the tooltip saying what size key is currently being shown. I'll go with the 3/4 inch key. Do I want the side views and sectional views to be updated? Yes. And the warning message about those gears taking a long time to generate. This message will come up a few times as it's displayed for each of the views. And there is the sectional view of the key. Similar techniques would be used to add other parts and features.